What else do you have better do on a cold, late October night than to come inside of our warm school, check out what we have going?
I think it was just to give our small communities the opportunity to see what's out there. They don't always get that.
We've got 40 employers inside of this space, another 20 outside. So we have Aerospace, Advanced Manufacturing, Automotive and Construction. We also have big names like Lithia. One of our favorites is All-Star Glass. They just got approved for a new apprenticeship program through their company.
So there is so many opportunities. Just talk to the schools, SCC, New Tech.
The kids are over there doing tires. Everyone's picked up, aircraft parts and pieces.
I've learned about construction, building frames for houses, operating heavy machinery, obviously, and played with power tools.
So one of the reasons I'm so passionate about this work is my youngest son spent many years with Seattle Children's, and he had to take a different path. We were able to figure out a different pathway for him, explore trades, talk about other options, and my goal is to make sure that other families understand that's options for them too. I think we need to change the narrative, get parents aware that these are good careers. You can have a house, you can have a boat.
It's super educational and it helps kids like me who don't know where they want to go decide.